Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Sagittarius. We'll be picking few cards, guys, as usual, for our daily energy, for our career situation and love energy, Sagittarius. So these are for our daily energies, these cards for our love situation and career situation. I'll be picking cards from this deck, guys. So for your career situation, one card from this deck, guys. So this is the card, I will leave it here. And for your relationship or your love energy, this is the card, guys. So I'll leave it here. And the oracle guidance for you all, guys, Sagittarius. So that is a general guidance what you can follow to make things go in a better way in your situation. This is the card, Sagittarius. I will leave it here. We will open these cards as we proceed into the reading, guys. So let's start with the daily energies first. It's Knight of Wands in reverse, Wheel of Fortune in reverse, and Queen of Wands in reverse. So with these cards, guys, in your situation today, you are happy because you are simply enjoying that success in your career or in your personal life, and you are experiencing great prosperity. It may be something in your work situation, your projects, or your business deals, whatever it is giving you lucrative returns and you are happy for it, Sagittarius, and things are going in a very positive way, and you see a great potential to reach success and you are happy for it, or you are already experiencing that happiness because of that success in your situation today. So that is what I see with this card, guys. And though things are going well in your career situation, there may be certain stressful certain minor things stressing you in your career, or it may be something in your personal life. You may have a good understanding, love may be there in this connection with this person. You may share a good understanding with this person, but you may feel that there are certain circumstances coming up in this relationship or in your career, something troubling you, something stressing you, so that total satisfaction or that total emotional fulfillment may not be there. So something is bothering you, maybe something in your family, something to do with your family members, maybe your siblings, your parents, or this person, or something from your work situation. So this success you are happy about, but still certain things are not giving you that total satisfaction, something going out of hand here. That is what I see, guys, with these cards. So let us see what is the card for your career situation, guys. So it's Ace of Air. So with this card, it may mean that you are moving towards a powerful phase of transformation, guys, in your career. Things are simply aligning and you are seeing quick results in your career situation. Maybe you are beginning something new in your work, and you are able to see that whatever efforts that you are putting in, you are getting the expected results, or the results may be even more than your expectation. So some kind of coincidences in your career situation, something pushing you forward with that towards that greater potential for success in your career situation, guys. And you are seeing positive transformation in your work situation. It may be some opportunities that you are getting, some offers, some new offers in your career, business deals, something of that sort, guys. So destiny is playing its part today, guys. Destiny is unfolding in a very beautiful and powerful way. This is a time of powerful transformation today, Sagittarius. That is what I see with this card here, guys. For your love situation, what is the card? Seven of Air. So again, with this card in your personal life, you have a certain way of leading your life. You are fiercely independent maybe, and you want your own freedom and you set your own boundaries. So you live life on your own terms. So that may be the reason that this person is finding it really hard to adapt to you, and you are a person who is true to your own self. So maybe for some of you, you may be fiercely independent. You don't want to listen to others, you don't want to listen to others' suggestions. So when you are in this connection, you have to have that diplomacy and respect, mutual respect for each other. So when that is not there, it may be very difficult to have that compatibility, guys, in this connection. So you are not a people pleasing person. You live on your own terms, and you honestly stick to what you believe is right in your heart of hearts. So all your suggestions, views and your actions are based on that, and that may work against the people you are in relationship with or the people in your family. They may find it really difficult to adapt to your ways of thinking or ways you do your work or go about your life, guys. So that is what I see with this card here, Sagittarius, for your relationship. So let us see what is the oracle guidance for you all, guys. To the Sea. So this card just means that we have to go with the flow, guys, where our life is taking us. So sometimes in our life, how things are flowing in our life, we need to go with that. In our relationship, it may mean something in our relationship. So how these things, this connection is taking us. Maybe sometimes we have to just wait and see how this connection is moving forward, transforming into. So sometimes it will progress in a positive way towards marriage and engagement. Sometimes we may just drift apart because of the differences we have. So we have to have that patience to see where this mutual journey leads. So that is what is called for in this card, the natural flow of events. The same way in our work situation also, we may have many opportunities coming our way. So based on our skills and talents and abilities, whatever is suitable for us, we will automatically move towards that choice. So we will see this circumstance just like a miracle, because whatever we like, we are automatically moving towards that choice. So life flows in such a way, taking us in such a way, so our that unique pattern that is unique to our life unfolds in our life, guys. So that is what this card is about. So we have to stop resisting the flow, that is what is called for, and stop fighting the changes that are coming towards us in our circumstance, in our situation, let it be in our career or in our relationship. So when we learn to go with the flow and relax, things will just begin to fall into place, and we will be happy and content. That is what this card is about, guys, and that is the reading. Sagittarius, thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.